Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like white tees. Don't get me dirty.
So we are vlogging this because this is memories. Memories?
Yeah, experience.
Experience.
No, experience your time with daddy in Taguig.
Yeah, so in the future we will watch this to see how John poor John. Joke. Okay, what's your question?
So my question, anak, is since nag-stay ka dito kay
Daddy
daddy,
lang sa boses mo.
so since nag-stay ka dito kay daddy, so gusto ko rin malaman ano yung feedback mo kasi syempre anak, you're just a human being.
Bro, literally.
Yeah, kasi may mga time na
Literally all the people is human beings, so
Correct.
I don't know what you're saying.
I mean, I'm just explaining my side na. Kasi sometimes sinasabihan kita, pero pilit pa rin ako sa'yo kahit anong mga advice ko sa'yo. Pero hindi ka nagre-react, okay lang sa'yo.
Because I have no reaction, I'm nonchalant.
Correct. Ngayon, days you're staying with daddy, anong masasabi mo sa personality ni daddy? Well, ako, to be honest, very simple lang ako anak, and very humble. Wala akong pinakyayabang. Ang ginagawa ko lang is more on kung ano yung will ni Lord, kung ano yung binibigay sa atin araw-araw. Kontento ako doon at tanggap ko, kaya gusto ko i-share sa'yo to na kailangan magiging humble tayo sa buhay and may takot tayo sa Diyos, respeto sa sarili at disiplina. So, my question is, ano yung
What would I describe you?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, I would describe you number one, you're kind of bossy because you like to boss around. And number two, probably so overcleaning. That's so OC. Kahit isang kalat lang, naiwan mo lang yung tsinelas mo, grabe na. So OC number two.
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like white tees. Don't get me dirty. Love on me. Love on me. Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like white tees. Don't get me dirty.
Number three is, I think, very time management. Ano nga yun?
Sa oras, very
very napapagsabay niya. Ay, hindi, na-manage niya yung time niya. I don't know what that called, but like, ganun. And hindi siya nalilate. I don't know. But like, ganun yung na-feel
Time
ko.
management.
Yeah, time management. And probably faithful person. And likes to repeat words.
repeating words.
Yes.
Kaya alam mo kasi sometimes, anak, be consider also, di ba? Kasi mga tao, like, pag tumatanda ka na,
You get Alzheimer's, bro.
yeah, minsan, ulit-ulit ka na, tapos gusto mo lagi nakikinig sa'yo. Pero in your situation naman, kasi you're just 14 pa lang, naiintindihan kita. Kasi, sabi mo nga, ang pamilya is pamilya, lalo na pag magulang, wala silang ibang iniisip kundi good for their kids. Kaya ikaw, no worries kasi kahit ano pa yan. At I'm always here to understand you in and out.
Wow.
Thank you, anak.
Thank you, John Pork.